Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn the optimization of testing the life cycle of class components. In last three videos, we have seen that whenever we execute this life cycle method, you see these are executing two times. Inside constructor, then we have inside constructor, then get derived state from props, then second time, then render, then we have second time, then component did mount is executing two times. You see. So why this is happening here? That we have to check. If I remove this and I click on update, you see again we have two times. This function two time, this function two time, this function two time, but this function one time. Get snapshot before update, then component did. So why it's happening? What is the problem? That component did mount, this function is executing two times. So how we can remove this? So for that we have to understand that you see in inside index.js, this render method is using react.restrict mode. Remember, because of this restrict mode, these problems we are facing. Because whenever we use restrict mode, then React try to execute all the methods safely with some security. That's why they execute multiple times. This is happening because of this restrict mode, that is sure. Now how we can solve this? In place of this we can use fragment. Here you see, save it and you see gone. We have this, refresh it, 4 method only, update this, we have these method only, remove this, update this, you see we have 5 methods only. So no repetition of methods. Just because of the strict mode, we are facing this kind of problem. Now I can use here toggle also, that I used last time, and just I uncomment this to remove the component, comment it, save it, and you see that remove component is also coming here this time, and I click here and we have just remove this toggle, we have the insertion phase of this, we have update phase of this toggle, and because I remove the function, so I need to uncomment this function also. Component will unmount, component will unmount. Now you will see if I refresh it again and I say toggle, so we have component will unmount. You see, if I say toggle, so we have first phase of insertion, then I say update, we have second phase of updation, then toggle, we have the last phase. So again I just refresh it and I say remove it, I say toggle, so we have component will unmount. So by this example we understand the life cycle of class component. But again, if I run it in strict mode once again, so I will have the same problem once again. Save this and you will see that again we have number of method multiple time. If I remove it, so we have component will unmount, you see. So we are facing this problem, component will unmount, component did mount, you see. These are not giving the answer as per the life cycle of the component. You see, we have component will unmount. So unmount is not execute when we have the render or updating phase or mounting phase of this component. We click this for updating phase, then we do not have here any component will unmount. You see, if I click update phase, so we do not have this method, but I click on toggle phase, then we have this function, component will unmount. So if I say again, you see, we have component will unmount function also, but we did not unmount anything. So this lifecycle method is display some wrong result when we use it in restrict method, because the way of execution under restrict method is little bit secure and React follows some other rules for the lifecycle of class components. So if you are having any kind of problem like this, so solution is just use here fragment like this, or in place of fragment you can use div tag also. If you are not familiar with this, you see now this problem is gone. We do not have such kind of problem for repetition of your method component will unmount. Now this method is not coming here. That is only because of the restrict mode execution of the React application. That's all in this video. If you really understand something from this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.